Hey there, ever wanted to learn programming but felt overwhelmed by all the setup? I will show you how to set up Python and Visual Studio Code in a super fast, straightforward way. Let's dive in. First, head to python.org, download the latest version, run the installer, check both boxes, hit install now. Next, go to code.visualstudio.com and download Visual Studio Code. Same process. Check all the boxes. Click on Mark Done. Now close this window. Let's create a folder where our Python program will be saved. You can create this folder anywhere you like. Open the folder you just created, then right click while holding the shift key. From the list of options, select Open with Code. This will open the folder in VS Code. Yes, I trust the authors. Let's create a file. Let's call it pythonship.py. Don't forget to include the .py extension. Now let's try to print something. Type print pythonship. Before running the program, make sure to save it. To run the program, open the terminal. Type python followed by the file name and hit enter. And it printed pythonship as expected. Play around with it and I will see you in the next one.